Okay, so we are on week 2 this week. So this is from Friday. I'm recording it on Friday. But we're looking at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Looking at it here. So Monday, you got a what is lightning quiz based off our activity. Tuesday, you're taking some notes. Wednesday, notes. You'll have like a short assignment after it. Thursday, you have a review quiz and a lab, a digital lab. And then Friday, you have, it's called a week 2 worksheet. So let's look at the Friday folder here and explain that a little bit. So with this worksheet, what it tells you is like this means quiz. It's just a option for you to take it as many times as you need to get 100%. Okay, so it's a way for you to do that. Also on Friday, you're going to review your homework answers from the notes on Monday and Wednesday. Sorry, Tuesday and Wednesday. But that won't be posted till Friday. So the Friday folder will be unavailable. These things will be unavailable until Friday. Okay? And that's kind of the big thing here. So other than that, Monday, you're watching a video, kind of going through some pieces. I'll show you how to annotate or what I want you to do for that. You're watching a video here, downloading it, and then taking a little quiz about lightning as it relates to chemistry. We're watching a storm, watching a video lecture, taking notes. Talking about plasmas, some notes, and then you'll download and upload there again. And just review quiz, you're going to review a little bit and then take a lab. And this lab should be very helpful for your quiz Friday. So all of it works together. Let me know if you have questions. I'll do by the end of the week. Thanks.